Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking Kylie Cosmetics skin tint blurring elixir. So I tried to go and buy it when on Instagram they said, oh, you can get it at Ulta. Well, I went there and they didn't have any out. So the nice lady gave me, shade matched me and gave me a lot in this as a sample and said, if you like it, then you can order it online. So that's what we're doing. We're using the sample the nice lady gave me. What is it? The Skin Tint Blurring Elixir. You get 1 ounces. It's long wearing and a second skin finish. And I got it in 7W tan with warm golden undertones. Let's see. My Skin Tint Blurring Elixir is a weightless fluid tint with light to medium coverage and a second skin finish. Formulated with hyaluronic acid. I don't know why I'm having difficulty saying that word. It improves skin hydration and smooths pores, fine lines, and texture with up to 12 hours of wear that doesn't separate or get patchy. It's vegan, cruelty-free, clean. Okay, so it says shake before use, apply 2 to 3 drops on the back of your hand or on a palette, evenly distribute around your face. Okay, so let's try it. You guys haven't seen me do, well, you haven't seen me do a lot of videos at all, but you haven't seen me do a lot of makeup videos since moving to Florida, mainly because I don't wear makeup. I'm at Disney a lot and in 90-degree heat, and I'm a sweater, trying to keep my makeup look perfect or not touch my face and kind of blot, it's just not worth it. In all honesty, to me. Some people it is, and I think that's great. But yeah, so I don't wear, if any, makeup, none at all, being in Florida so far because I'm at Disney a lot. So we're gonna use our beauty blender and let's give it a whirl. You know what I forgot, guys? I forgot a mirror. It's okay. We will do one side first to see how it looks. Okay, for some reason, I thought this was like a, you know what, I have a palette here. I thought this was like a, it said medium coverage, so obviously it's not a BB cream, but I thought for some reason that it kind of was, like it was gonna be really light. What I mean by light, as in not the way it feels, but just the way it applies. No, this is full on, can be a foundation. It says skin tint, but it's definitely foundation. I already put my eyebrows on, as you can see. Not very well, so I have to touch them up, but yes. Okay. 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 You guys see that? That's pretty. It went on nicely. Yeah. Okay. Let's do the other side of the face. I'm just dipping it in there, guys, in all honesty. It has nice coverage, and this actually was a really good shade match. That's pretty, right? That's pretty. You think that's pretty, sweetie? Okay. Now, I guess we can add more if you want more coverage, but let me add a little bit where I have some blemishes here. And my under eye dark circles, those are just, I just have to put some concealer on that. But yeah, this is pretty. Okay. I wanted to try this out, guys, because it's been all over my Instagram and I've been just seeing people just, oh my gosh, this is amazing. So that is why we are trying it out. All right. Concealer. So guys, we're gonna try this out for the day, and I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup. I'll do it with you if you want me to, which is fine. You can't answer right now. But I'll finish my makeup and we'll test this out for the rest of the day, and I'll come back to you. I'm in natural light right now, guys. I don't have any type of extra lighting right now. So what you see is what it is right now. But I like that it looked a little dewy when I put it on. So it wasn't completely a matte formula. And I like that. I like a little dewiness when I'm if I'm just gonna wear it to Disney and not put anything else on. I like that it was a little dewy so that it felt like I didn't have makeup on, or it looked like it, and I still had a nice glow. Of course, I just matted it out right now with the powder, but just for staying power. All right, let's put some. And I'll just do the rest of my makeup with you on, and I'll fast forward through, guys. All right, guys, this is the face. Oh, put some setting spray. It's a really pretty skin tint. So we'll see how it goes and the lasting effect of it. And yeah, so I will see you guys next time. And at the end, I will put what it looked like hours later. Bye. Bye. Yeah, guys, it's pretty. It's pretty. Now, of course, I also probably am going to wear this without all the blush and all the extra stuff to see what it looks like after I sweat and all that stuff. So I'll do two. I'll do one where I wear it with my regular makeup, but also just by itself, because that's where you get the real, test of it. Now, under this, all I have is some moisturizer, facial moisturizer. So, yeah, but it's pretty. It's a pretty look. I like it. Let's see how it wears. Okay, guys, this is the end of the day, and I've been wearing this for 10 hours. and I've sweated in it, all type of stuff. It still actually looks really good, but you still can see some blemishes coming through, and of course, but it doesn't look patchy. And yeah, I like it. It's lovely.